salad with this very cucumber. These are lunch, dinner, even breakfast. It's filling, man. Make una sauce. Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this great recipe. This is called cucumber, and we're going to be making salad with this very cucumber. You see, so this is the salad, is already sliced. The next thing we'll be adding to this very salad now is vinegar. This is white vinegar. This is 4 tablespoons. We just add everything to it. See, and we have 3 tablespoons of salt. Just add. That will be enough. These are the salt. You just mix everything together, and what we will do, we're gonna cover it up and let it ferment for at least 1 to 2 hours. So we just cover it with the lid and leave it here. Don't put it in the fridge. Leave it there for at least 1 to 2 hours. When it's fermented, that is when we will rinse it out from this salty and vinegar. Then we will work with the rest ingredients. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So this is the cucumber. We have to check. Oh my God, you see, and that has a lot of liquid that's coming out of this cucumber. You can see this is it. So now I just have to rinse with cold water so that all the salt and the vinegar will be out before we start the preparation. Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. So this is the cucumber, and we just have to add them. It's already rinsed. Put it inside the drainer. All the water is out. Just put them here. So this is it. You see, these are all the cucumber. So right now we're just gonna be adding the tuna. These are all tuna. This is tuna. We're just gonna add all the tuna. You're gonna use your hand to do everything. So these are all the tuna. Just mix everything together with the tuna. You see, so these are cucumber with the tuna. Right away we're just gonna add this beans. It's called red kidney beans. You can make your own, buy dry one and cook it, or you can buy the one they already cook. This one is the one already cooked. So this is it. Just gonna mix everything together. It's easy. You can stir it with spoon. You can do anything, but I just like to work on it with hand. That is how to do it, to enjoy the feeling. So it's very nutritious and healthy also. So this is it. This is the cucumber, and right now I am going to add pepper. We're just going to add black pepper to it. So right now this is where I'm going to take off these gloves from my hand. You're just gonna add pepper. One thing you will not add to this very salad now is salt. You can't add salt except you love eating salt, because it's already salted, the cucumber, and the tuna is already salted, and the beans also, so you don't need anything salt here again. So right now I'm just going to add this black pepper to it. Blend it up. Let's see. So it's done. Right now I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just olive oil. A little bit of it. You can see. Yes, that's it. Don't overpower it with anything. Now I'm just going to use spoon to make everything together. This is one of the salads you will eat. You will really enjoy it. So this is it. You see, this is the salad. Right now I'm just going to serve myself. This is the bowl. Wow, this is one of the salad. You can take it lunch, dinner, even breakfast. It's filling, man. Make una subscribe. This is good. This one are good food. You see, this is very good. So now I serve myself. You know, another thing I'm gonna use to eat this is panini. I make it myself. It's bread. One of these days I will also show you how I make it. You see, this is panini and this is salad. This is the two you can eat together. Oh my God, you will enjoy this wonderful recipe. You see, oh my God, oh, I can't wait to devour this food. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show, and please share this video and also give me a thumbs up. Walaho, Mona, share this video. Mona, give me thumbs up. Thank you all, and I will continue to bring you easy, simple recipe anytime. Bye for now.